flat 5 left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200, flat right, into flat 5 left. C60, chicane, right entry. Flat right, 40, flat left very long, into flat right, and 5 right over crest, stay in for 4 left, and flat right half long through dip, 60, line 2 right in, and 4 left half long opens, 130, flat right, 80, 6 right over crest, slow in, 40, 1 left, slippy. And 4 right, and 4 left, short in. Into 4 right, half long, 60, 4 right, 60, flat left over crest, jump, slippy, 100, 3 left, very long, tightens late, 130, 1 right, into 1 left plus, into 5 right in, into 3 left, stay in, into 1 right, slippy, 130, 2 left, into 4 left in, into 2 right, half plus half long, and 3 left, slow in, and turn hairpin left. $80, 5 left, 80, flat right, and fast 5 right half long, over finish, 60, 2 left and 5 right long. Just 2 right.